The all-in-one clothesline brackets are so easy to install on a rollout awning tube. It's just a matter of putting the bottom cradle over the top of the awning tube, put the awning underneath, tighten up the black knob, and the awning is all completed to the awning. Then we do not supply 10 poles, but if you have 10 poles, it's just a matter of just putting them underneath the bracket, the cradle, tighten it up, and then you can put all the weight you like on those clothesline brackets. Now I would just give you a demonstration how to tension the clothesline wire. It's just a matter of looping it through the first hole, then back through the second hole, back through the bottom hole, then your clothesline wire is tension. Also, this is a small center support bracket, so if you have a heavy towel washing, you just slide it through the center and then put that in the center. We have also an additional feature with our clothesline brackets. We have the tie down. So when you want to tie down your awning, it's just a matter of putting your straps or guy ropes through that loop, tighten it up through there, and that way then you have your awning tied down. The center support is so easy. Just move it along to the center of your awning, put it the tent pole underneath and that will take the weight.